send it on over to you, Neda.
All right, Jacqueline, thanks so much. I'm checking in on the Homewood camera because it's just really nice out there. Look how pretty those clouds are over Lake Tahoe. Now, a lot of ski resorts reporting 12 to 14 inches of snow at the beginning of this week. And yes, we do have a system coming through Northern California later on today, expecting to get maybe another 1 to 2 inches of snow on top of what they just received. But doesn't the sky look really cool? We are going to see some cloud coverage throughout the day today. We may get a break here and there. Right now, high-def Doppler showing just a bit of happening, not necessarily raindrops hitting the ground, but for parts of the North Bay, some of these areas in the darker green may be giving way to a bit of moisture that's actually falling. But for San Francisco, just cloud coverage out there. Temperatures are actually warmer than yesterday thanks to that cloud coverage. It helped keep a lot of that warm air in place. So 47 degrees right now in Oakland, 50 degrees right now in San Francisco, San Jose 49 degrees. Now here's what you can expect for the A's game today. Glad to report no rain in the forecast for that 12:35 game. A lot of students are going to this game. They're going to be teaching the science of baseball. So it's going to be a really cool day out there in Oakland, and 58 degrees, cloudy but dry. So that's always good. Not necessarily going to get rained out, even though we do have showers in our forecast. It's not going to arrive until later, and most likely for a lot of the South Bay. High temperatures today, 62 in Santa Rosa, 61 in San Rafael, 58 for your high in San Francisco. Here's a look at that rain snow futurecast. So this is the moisture that's headed towards us. It's what's bringing us that cloud coverage right now. But by 7, 8 o'clock, look, it's pretty much going south of the Golden Gate Bridge and mostly central Southern California. They'll get some of that precipitation. The Southern Sierra also expected to get more of that snow. But then after that, we are looking clear, sunshine, not even cloud coverage to mess with our views by tomorrow, Friday, into the weekend. It's going to be warm. Rain totals, look at this, barely anything. A few hundredths of an inch for most of the South Bay is only where it's going to impact us. So it looks like it's just grazing around a lot of the Bay Area. Snow futurecast also showing very minimal amount of snowfall, a tenth, maybe a half inch for South Lake Tahoe. Bear Valley could get 4 inches of snow. 7-day forecast, though, showing after this little system today, look how nice it's going to be. For your Saturday, Sunday, keep those plans outdoors. Look how pretty. Sunshine, temperatures in the 70s, and even low 80s for a lot of inland locations. And that's a look at your forecast.